Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Guess where I'm at, folks? Masters Touch Automotive, your friendly, independent Volvo service center in Albuquerque. I'm gonna see if they can help me with a couple things before I hit the road. We are rebuilding the ETM. Took the back off. Got that pin accessible. Second pin from the wall. Got those 3 pins accessible. Now we're gonna unscrew this and break those pins loose so we can put the contactless one on there. There it is, folks. All siliconed on. This is the silicone I use to get that on there. Got that from Home Depot. Here I am, kicking off the storage unit shuffle. Hopefully I can get everything from this unit into that unit. Let me open up, put on some gloves and get started. This is what I'm getting started with. I would like to do a time lapse on this, however, I am almost dead on my phone battery, so I am not going to be able to do that. Let me get started cleaning this stuff up, reorganizing it, and hopefully making space for some of this other stuff I got. Did some reorganization. I got some floor space here that I'm going to try to move stuff from the other unit over here. I got to get rid of that transmission. That transmission is out of maybe a 01 or something like that. I'm sure it's good, or I wouldn't have it in here. That's the tag on it. I have some cams I think are NA cams. I'm going to take to California. I have some 302 rotors, some rotor cores, some windows. I think these windows are 850 windows. I don't think any of them are SOV70. Glass. I got some trash here. I got this T5R seat that's passenger side. This back piece is in good shape. I don't know if anybody wants it. Take a picture of it. I got an M66 transmission out of a 04 S60R. Let's see if somebody wants that. I got 3 tow hitches that fits on these P80 front wheel drive cars. A few other things in here and back there I need to move tomorrow. I want to get out of this unit and put all this stuff in that unit, so I hope I got enough room for that. We'll see. I'm sure going to try. I got to get out of here for now. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.